So I did the Mini Smile Makeover 2 years ago with Payman and Dipesh, and I can safely say that after completing the course, I went back to my clinic and really kind of took the bull by the horns. I implemented everything that was discussed. I really saw the benefits of how composite can be used in the aesthetic zone. I used to always just think indirect restorations, veneers need to be ceramic or porcelain. But after coming on Dipesh's course, it just gave me the confidence to be able to, I suppose, provide that kind of work directly using composite, using the re-enamel products, and being able to know that if a patient walked through the door, I could achieve a beautiful result for them, and I didn't need my ceramist anymore, I didn't need a technician. So how's it changed my clinical practice? I probably would say 2 years ago, I did very, very, very little anterior composite work. And today, I would probably say about 40% of my workload is anterior composite work. So I would say the Mini Smile Makeover course has kind of spurred that. It's kind of pushed me to be better, to be more of an artist, which in fairness, I really enjoy now. I enjoy that level of treatment. I enjoy the ability to change someone very quickly. And it's been done with my hands and my hands only. So it's been a real game changer for me coming on the course.